Good morning, all of you. So today I am going to teach you the exercise number 2 in standard 8. 8 predicate to the following subjects. Means there is a subjects and we have to put the predicates. So first of all, see first number, a bunch of flowers was put on the table. So here is a subject and we have to put the predicate. So first of all, we have to put the predicate according to the subject. Means it have to be match with the subject. ठीक है. Then see the second number, the mountains bear thick forest. So here is a mountain. You should also say the mountains are very high. This is your choice to put any predicate, but it should be according to the it should be matched to the subject. It should be relatable to the subject. Now see the third number, the girl holding the big umbrella was walking across the road. So you can also say the girl holding the big umbrella is my elder sister or younger sister. Any predicate you can put, but it must be relatable to the subject. It should be match. Now see fourth number, pineapples are very sweet. A pack of wolves were seen on the river side. The old man stumbled on the rough road. The pretty woman was driving a car, or you can also say the pretty woman is my mother. Any predicate you can put. Now 8 number, the window with a broken pane was changed. Okay. The angry crowd rushed towards the police station. Angry crowd means there were a lot of people who rushed towards the police station. The blue pen was very nice, or you can say the blue pen very smooth to write. So you can put any predicate, but it have to be relatable or matched with the subject according to the subject. So we will see the next exercise. So here is the next exercise. 8 subjects to the given predicate. So here is a predicate which are given already and we have to put the subject according to the predicate. Okay, that they have to be relatable. First of all, we see the old lady feeds the birds. So here we put the subject, the old lady, or else you can here put the my mother, my sister, the woman, etc. You can put any subject, but it have to be relatable with the predicate. ठीक है. Similarly, in earlier we learn in subject and predicate. So now see second number, the models were very glamorous. So who look glamorous? Of course the models look very glamorous. So here we put the subject, the models, because it is very matchable to the predicate. Now see, Rani Lakshmi Bai fought bravely, but she was killed. So here is a very relatable subject. Rani Lakshmi Bai who fought very bravely, but she was unfortunately killed by someone. Now see the thieves. Thieves means chor. ठीक है. The thieves attacked the travelers and looted them. ठीक है. तो attack. तो who attacked? Of course thieves attacks. Okay. Or robbers attacks. Robbers or thieves you can put here to the subject. Attacked to the travelers and looted them. Now see, the students are in the library. So who sit in the library? Of course the students are in the library who learn or who read in the library room. Now see, my mother makes tasty meals, or here you can put my sister makes tasty meals, etc. But it should be relatable. PT Usha runs very fast. So who runs very fast? Of course PT Usha. So this is very matchable subject. Now see, January is the coldest month of the year. So you can see January is always a coldest month. Now heart works continuously, because our heart works continuously. Okay. Now Rahul eats an apple. So here you can write any subject, Rahul, Anjali, etc. Now come to the next exercise. Here page number 10. Rewrite the following sentences according to the instruction given in brackets. Put appropriate punctuation marks as well. So here is the sentences, and here is a bracket which we have to be rewrite the sentence according to the given brackets. So just a minute. So here is a I have written already. So here is exercise number 3, page number 10. Okay. So rewrite the following sentences which have I learned. So first of all, how are planning to finish up all your pending work? So here is the interrogative sentence that is identified. Okay. So here is change into declarative. So here is the brackets. We have to change sentence into declarative sentence. So obviously, how I am planning to finish all my pending work. So it become a declarative sentence. Already that is given a interrogative sentence. We identified the interrogative because here is a question mark. Then in bracket there is a declarative sentence we have to change. So हमने इसको किस में चेंज कर दिया? डिक्लेरेटिव में चेंज कर दिया. Now see, look how picturesque the scene to sunrise is. So you can see this is a sentence which is given a exclamatory mark. So of course the identified हो गया ये exclamatory mark वाला sentence है. So bracket में क्या दिया हुआ है? Change into interrogative. So we have to be change into interrogative sentence. So let's start. How to picturesque the scene of sunrise. Then question mark. So always we have to remember if we start the question type of sentence or interrogative sentence, then we have to ask with the question of how or what. Okay. Then here third number, please give me a live lift of home in your car. So here is a change into assertive sentence. So here is a please, there is a word which describes the imperative sentence that I taught you in earlier video. The request, command, order, etc. is an imperative type of imperative sentence. So here we have identified the sentence. Okay. So this is a kind of imperative sentence, and then we have to convert into an assertive sentence. So see, I want to give you a lift in your car. Okay. So here is an assertive sentence we have converted. Now fourth number, my friend can speak French fluently. So here is the declarative type of a sentence, declarative sentence, and we have to convert into exclamatory sentence. So let's start. How fluently my friend speak French. Then there is a exclamation mark we have to put. Then see fifth number, the pollutants and poisonous gases mix with the rain to form acid rain. So here is some kind of information. So if any information or declared something, so then this type of a sentence we call the declarative or assertive sentence. Okay. Then this is identified. This is a type of a assertive sentence, then here is a bracket, change into interrogative sentence, then we have to change into interrogative sentence. See what mixes with the rain to form acid rain. So here is the interrogative and I forgot to put the question mark. So here is a question mark. So we asked a question by what, how or etc. Now see 6 number, which team is going to win in the cricket match today. So here is a sentence which is identify. So here is a kind of a sentence which is interrogative sentence and we have to convert into assertive sentence. So see, this team is going to win the match. So this is a assertive sentence. Then we have to full stop marks instead of interrogative. Then see 7 number, the auto rickshaw had a minor accident on the bridge. Okay, this is a type of a declarative sentence and change into interrogative sentence. So we have to change into interrogative sentence. Who had minor accident on the bridge? So we asked a question by who. Okay, so who we asked a question and we get the answer, the auto rickshaw. Okay, so here we have to put the interrogative marks or question mark, because in bracket there is a notification that we have to put we have to convert into an interrogative sentence. So let's see at number, I wonder who will win the challenge. Change into imperative sentence. So I wonder. Okay, then here is an imperative sentence we have to change. So, oh Lord, it is hard to decide who will win the match. Okay. Now see. We wish you every success in the future. Change into optative sentence. Wish you succeed in your lives. So, here is a optative type of optative that I taught you in earlier video, that we have to start with the word wish. Okay, then see number 10, all that glitters is not gold. So change into interrogative sentence. How to know that the glitters is gold? So here is a glitter, but here is a singular, means single verb. Okay, glitters or glitters, that is only a singular because it is uncountable. So next video I will explain the rest of the exercise.